Okay, here we have a Star Wars themed custom engagement ring box. This is actually the elevator room for the Emperor on the Death Star. It is 3D printed to look like the center of it. I discussed with the client about the railings. I was afraid that the railings wouldn't really survive having them on here. They would actually be right here. But that wasn't the focus of the piece, so that's not what we ended up going with. What he did want, though, is he wanted the elevator to be a reveal. So you can see down here I've got a little gear system. And if I rotate this, it actually turns, there we go, back to the light, turns the elevator around to reveal the ring inside, and it actually does light up, as you can see inside there. And we can rotate it around and close it back up, and then it looks a lot like every other side. So it's kind of a nice hidden piece there. Again, we rotate it, and then that turns the light on. There's actually a switch where two pieces of the gear underneath actually connect, and that's what turns the light on. So there we have a Star Wars elevator room custom engagement ring box with geared reveal and lighting by Pape Designs and Tinker Vice Studios.